999 times 9 using an area model. First, we're going to take 999 and break that apart into expanded form. Make sure that first you drew your box that has 3 boxes for 3 digits, though. Then you get 900 plus 90 plus 9, with this 9 going on the side. Then we'll take our numbers down and over because we know the area is length times width. Then we're going to multiply our numbers. 9 times 9 is 81, and then we need to add on 2 zeros to move it up 2 place values. 9 times 9 is 81, but this time we're only going to add 1 0. And 9 times 9 is just 81. Let's stack up these numbers, making sure that we put them in the correct place values so we don't get our 8s and our 1s all mixed up. 1 plus nothing is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, and then we have our 8. 8,991